Samsung has been gradually shifting its product launch schedule to earlier dates, and we've now reached a point where the Summer Unpacked event took place in July instead of the traditional August. With this new timing available, Google has seized the opportunity to showcase its upcoming Pixel 9 smartphones, including the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This marks the second iteration of the Pixel Fold, and Google is making it clear that this time around, they are serious about the Pro designation. While the name hasn't been officially confirmed, it has been supported by various leaks. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will enter a competitive landscape that includes the recently launched Galaxy Z Fold 6, raising the question of what unique features it will bring to capture consumer interest. Here's what we currently know about how the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will compare to Samsung's latest offering. Google approaches the design of its foldable devices with a unique perspective, diverging from Samsung's strategy. While Samsung opts for a narrower cover screen to enhance one-handed usability, Google has chosen to create the Pixel Fold with a wider and thinner profile, making it feel more akin to a traditional smartphone when closed. This design philosophy was evident in the original Pixel Fold, and early indications suggest that the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold will follow suit. Last year, we were impressed by the robust hinge of the Pixel Fold, which felt solid and reliable, leading us to expect the same sturdiness from the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 also boasts a reassuringly stiff hinge. Samsung has achieved an IP48 rating for water resistance and some protection against particles, although it isn't completely dust-proof. The question remains whether Google can surpass this standard. Recent leaks reveal that the camera module on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is quite substantial, featuring a square design positioned in the upper left corner of the back, similar to the Z Fold 6's triple lens setup. Consequently, both devices are unlikely to rest flat on a surface without a bulky case. As for weight, the original Pixel Fold is relatively heavy at 283 grams, and while there are rumors of a lighter successor, no specific details have emerged yet. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is lighter for a foldable, weighing in at 239 grams. As we delve into the features of these devices, it's clear that both smartphones are equipped with OLED technology throughout. Samsung has been a pioneer in producing AMOLED displays for quite some time, and is even supplying these screens to other brands, including Google. However, let's focus on the specifics of their displays. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts a 6.3-inch cover screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and an approximate aspect ratio of 22:9, complemented by a 7.6-inch main display, also at 120Hz, with an aspect ratio around 22:18. In comparison, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a 6.3-inch external screen, maintaining the 120Hz refresh rate, but with a slightly different aspect ratio of 17.5:9. Its internal display measures about 8 inches diagonally and has a 6:5 aspect ratio. Now, regarding the crease, the Z Fold 6 does have one, though it's less pronounced than in previous models. Opinions on this vary. Some find it barely noticeable, while others consider it bothersome. The same could be said for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but there's always the possibility that Google might surprise us with a unique design choice, much like OnePlus did. Google continues to forge ahead in developing its own silicon for its smartphones, which is both impressive and admirable. This year marks the arrival of the Tensor Series G4 generation, although our expectations for a significant performance leap are somewhat tempered. It's important to clarify that the Tensor chips are quite capable for Google's intended use, sufficiently powerful to operate stock Android smoothly and intelligent enough to enhance the functionality of Google Assistant and the new Gemini. These chips feature specialized NPU cores for artificial intelligence and optimized image processing systems that contribute to Google's renowned camera quality. While other processors offer similar capabilities, Google's chips are uniquely tailored to their specifications. Consequently, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy, is likely to outperform the Pixel 9 Pro Fold in sheer processing power. Nevertheless, we anticipate that this year will unveil AI features exclusive to the Pixel lineup, with Google likely attributing this uniqueness to the Tensor G4's exceptional capabilities in certain areas. Both devices will run on Android 14, but Samsung's One UI will overlay a plethora of features designed for multitasking S Pen integration, S Health, Samsung Wallet, and other functionalities that have been refined over the years. In contrast, the Pixel will showcase what is often referred to as stock Android, though this isn't entirely accurate, as Google has been endowing its devices with exclusive features, including unique assistant functionalities like Guide My Call and call screening, along with the innovations brought by Gemini. There's a chance that Google will enhance the camera capabilities of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While the rumors surrounding this feature are inconsistent and somewhat chaotic, the more credible ones suggest a setup that includes a 64 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 10.5 megapixels telephoto camera. These specifications are quite similar to those found in the Z Fold 6, which boasts a 50 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens. This year, we've been quite impressed with the Z Fold 6's camera performance, noting significant improvements in image processing compared to its predecessor. The Z Fold, it will be interesting to see if Google can elevate the camera experience even further. However, one thing is certain. Google Pixel devices have consistently delivered outstanding results in the camera department, and last year's model was no exception, standing strong against other foldable options on the market. According to reports, the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to feature a 4560, which is a reduction from the original Pixel Fold's 4821 mAh capacity. While it's premature to assess its battery life, there's a possibility that the Tensor G4 chip could enhance energy efficiency, potentially mitigating any noticeable difference in performance. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a 4400 mAh battery. Although it may not be the most impressive in terms of longevity, it reliably lasts throughout the day. Neither device excels in charging speed, as the Z Fold 6 supports 25-watt charging, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might offer up to 30-watt, though details on that remain scarce. So, which device should you choose? The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6? That's quite the dilemma. The Z Fold 6 certainly has its advantages, particularly with its S Pen support and the versatility of Samsung DeX. Yet it's essential to think about the kind of external display you prefer on your foldable device. Samsung advocates for a narrower design, while Google offers a spacious screen that's perfect for typing with both thumbs without needing to unfold the phone. Additionally, consider whether you're drawn to the unique AI features from Google or the sheer performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Ultimately, we'll have a clearer picture once we learn more about those special features. Mark your calendars for August 13th, when Google unveils its latest Pixel phones. We've learned a lot about Pixel 9 Pro Fold so far, including a lot of its software tricks in line with Google's continual focus on artificial intelligence. But even on a hardware level, Google's next foldable seems a whole lot more exciting than it's being given credit. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which will be bigger, brighter, and much thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Of course, it remains to be seen if the Pixel will stick the landing. The problem with the original Pixel Fold was that Google didn't have experience or pain points to fix. As such, the super reflective display, annoying crease, heavy weight, and poor heat management of the Pixel Fold left the Galaxy Z Fold 5 a better overall option. This year, though, feels different, but we need to wait for a little while now. So, which one of them is your best pick for a complete foldable device? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more updates do check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.